So I saw a thing when I was browsing through Facebook videos that said if you give your cat an egg, they will take care of it. And I'm curious to see what this little bugger will do. So, Adonis, I have an egg here for you. Oh, you're already purring. Here. He's like, it's not food, Mom. I want food. You opened the fridge. Give me hot dogs. You just want pets? He is not at all interested in the egg. He only wants scratches. The mission was a failure, but we still got kitty pets. And booty scratches. That's a happy cat. Pat the butt. All right. And this goes back in the fridge. Bye-bye.